Alright guys, so if you're watching this video, you'll know that this is the same video that I already posted yesterday, right? So I gotta, if you watch that video, you know that in that video I was making a few observations about what I was seeing in the video, right? Nothing to it, really, nothing malicious about it from what I was thinking. But I was just making my simple observations about you know, the customer service and things like that, or just things that I was looking at in the service line, basically. Anyway, so I got a phone call from the manager there, and just voiced his concern that, you know, there were some people were not particularly happy about it. You know, the manager was cool as hell though, so, you know, he wasn't like demanding that I do anything or whatever, but he definitely was, you know, sticking up for basically his employees, and you know, voiced the concern to me. So you know, at the end of the day, I do understand where they're coming from. In no way, shape, or form, you know, was I trying to throw any, like, I guess, throw people under the bus or whatnot. I was just making my simple observations at that time. And you guys know me, you guys that watch my channel know me, that I, you know, am 100% unfiltered, unedited, you know, uncensored, even with myself. So if I know, if I'm what's his name, then at the end of the day, like, if I did something wrong, or if I did something this and that, or if I do something that's not going to be, like, show me in the best light, I still put it on camera and I still put it out there, because I'm not, you know what I'm saying, it's life, it's period, it's things that happen, you know what I'm saying? So in no way, shape, or form do I don't even censor myself. I don't censor you guys to myself, is what I'm trying to say, right? So I just whatever happens, and if it happens to be on camera, it has to be on camera, you know what I'm saying? But I just don't censor that, even for myself. But I get it, not everybody's the same, and some people you know, don't appreciate that. So he did, so, you know, I was asked to blur the faces of some particular people that were in that video. But I went ahead, and what I did was, man, I edited them out as much as I could. So hopefully they're not even in the video at all, and that's what you're going to see now. So so if you've seen the video yesterday, it is slightly different, and I wanted to go ahead and put this out there so you can be like, you know, for those people that are like, we already seen this video, why are you posting it again? Well, that's the reason why, man, is that you know, at the end of the day, you know, like I said, my values and beliefs and everything else are just that. So, you know, if other people have an issue with, you know, their way of doing things, or whatever the case, you know, then I got no problems, because I mean, at the end of the day, you know, it is their prerogative and their right whether they want to be on camera or not. And I guess they weren't particularly happy with the things that I was saying while they're on camera. So I mean, you know, I had them, like, they were like in the background. They weren't like actually like, you know, camera in their face, but they were kind of in the background. But still, though, I get it though, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm a grown-ass man, so at the end of the day, you know, I don't want to jeopardize anybody with their you know, their livelihood or anything like that. So if they felt that was the case, and, you know what I'm saying, I sincerely apologize for that. You know what I'm saying? Again, I'm a grown-ass man, so I don't, you know, feel bigger than me, you know, saying that, whatever, like, you know what I'm saying, like, oh, it doesn't matter. Like, yeah, at the end of the day, I'm a grown-ass man. So if that was not the intent, and if that's the way they took it, you know what I'm saying, then or were offended by it, then I guess I'm grown enough to say I sincerely apologize for that. But with that being said, you know what I'm saying, like I said, a lot of these things are in no way, shape, or form, like I always tell you guys, none of this stuff is gospel. These are simply just a man with his opinions, man. That's everything that I do, whether if it's mods on my car, the commentary that I say. I always say, man, I'm just a man with a camera, and it's just things that I observe. Simple as that, man. So anyway, man, so there you go, man. So this is the edited version from yesterday's video, and I just, you know, I'm going to put it out there again because I had to take the other one down. So for those of you guys who have already watched the video, I apologize. For those that have not watched the video, then here y'all go, man. Hope you guys enjoy it. The good thing is though, man, hey, Christine is good to go, man. She you know, well, you guys will see the video, but she's good to go, man. Big time shout out to FaTkaT Dodge dealership, you know, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, you know, whatever the acronyms are, but basically Dodge in Bradenton, Florida, man. Every time I went over there, I haven't bought a car from them yet, but every time I went over there, for whatever reason, they've never hesitated to take care of me, man. So big time shout out to them. and that's all from, you know, the management down. So big time shout out to them, man. I salute them. So other than that, hope you enjoyed this video. If you commented yesterday, man, comment again so I can get my comments back up, because I'm pretty sure all those are going to be erased, man. So anyway, other than that, greatly appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video, man. Let's go. FaTkaT Nation, what's going on, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy FaTkaT, of course, bringing you another one, man. And of course, we got Gianni with me today, actually just this morning, for the next 5 minutes. Dropping them off real quick at Jiu-Jitsu camp. What is it? A camp?
Yeah, it's summer camp.
Summer camp. Basically, so you know, it's a summer camp, but luckily his Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, the gym, they do a camp for all the kids that attend there and whatnot. So he doesn't necessarily attend the actual camp, but he helps out the coach and whatnot. There's a few kids that are older a little bit, and they help out with some of it, because it's for the younger age kids, right?
Yeah, it's from like 4 to like 12.
There you go. So he helps out a little bit. So, you know, so it's cool. So he gets him out the house. He goes over there and you know, obviously he helps out the coach, so he still participate in some of the activities and whatnot, and just helps the coach out doing different things and whatnot. So, so yeah, man, it's from like, it's pretty much all day, from like 8 in the morning to like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, and then after all that, they basically we go pick them up. They come home for about an hour and a half, because then they got class again at like actual like class, jiu-jitsu class, Brazilian jiu-jitsu class at 6:15.
Yeah.
At 6:15. So yeah, man. So it's a whole day thing, man. That's what they be doing. Again, Noah doesn't go yet because we still, you know, Noah's a little bit more sensitive to catching illnesses and things like that. So we're not entirely comfortable with him going out to that yet. So we're using him as a guinea pig, as a test dummy, to see, make sure, you know what I'm saying, there's nobody going to catch anything or whatever, or something like that. Like I said, and nothing to, not saying anything particularly about those people, you know, about the kids or whatnot. It's just, you know, it's just people have been out and about. So you just never know with different environments that you in. Anyway, man, so anyway, so yeah, so he's been going out for probably like the last week, and then we give it about another week or two, and if, you know, if everybody seems okay, there's no outbreaks, there's no craziness, you know, whatever, no reported incidents going on at the gym, then we might let Noah come back as well. But anyway, other than that though, go ahead and get into the video. Dropping him off real quick, and then I am headed to the dealership, man. So we're gonna head back to the dealership and see if they can check out this battery, man, and hopefully they can change it out. So we'll see what they say. So when I pick this camera back up, I'll probably already be at the dealership, and then we'll go from there, man. So we'll pick back up and turn this camera back on when we're at the dealership, man. We'll see you in a little bit, man. Let's go. All right, man, so I am at the dealership right now. There goes Christine right there, and just dropped her off at service, man. So we will be testing out her battery and seeing if you know, we get it replaced under warranty, man. So that's what we're doing here today. We're at the FaTkaT service, and like I said, we're going to see if they test out the battery and see if it's good or bad or whatnot, and then go from there. And if it's bad, then they'll just switch it out for me under warranty. So we'll see what happens, man. But I'm gonna go hang out here for a little bit, go inside or whatnot, check out a couple of cars of whatever they got here, and then we'll come back and see what they say. But ain't she looking good though? Woo. Man. I'll tell you though, man, the one thing about bringing your car over to the dealership, right, especially when they don't know you, is that they deal with cars all day long, right? It's just another car. There's expensive parts on there, and it's just like, whatever, you know what I'm saying? It's just another car to them, because it's not theirs, and they didn't pay for anything on it, you know what I'm saying? So they just throw things, whatever, and put it on there, and it's, you know, I get it. They're at work, they're whatever, I get it. They don't know everything that went into it, but it's just like, bro, if you guys would just be a little more careful, I would greatly appreciate that, you know what I'm saying? So the guy that pulled in my car in there, I greatly appreciate him, because he was very careful, even though he didn't really go over any bumps or anything like that, but he was definitely very careful in bringing that car in there, man. So appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. I don't know if y'all remember, man, but we were here about 2 weeks ago at the FaTkaT dealership, and there was this car was outside, this wide body Hellcat, and they had a Hellcat Daytona wide body here. I guess they sold that one, man. So they got rid of it. Somebody got it around town. They said he's oh no, not a Hellcat though. He said they got another Daytona, a 5.7, but we ain't worried about no disrespect. Shout out to all the people with the 5.7s out there, but we looking at the Hellcats or better. You know what I'm saying? There you go, man. So the other one they got rid of. We still got this one sitting here though. This one is asking price is 84,755. So not too bad, man. Silver, all leather interior. There you go, man. Right gauges. Nice leather smell. This guy right here in this Jeep, I guess they didn't wash his car. He had service on it, but they didn't wash it, so he was pissed off. So they literally just ran it through the washer, barely didn't even drive the car, and just gave it back to him. Boy, like they do not want to be here. And I get it, man. Like, you know, it's a long day, it's early, it's whatever. You know, you're gonna be here all day. But dude, like customer service, just a little customer service goes a long way. I've just been sitting here. I've just been watching these people go back and forth, and you know, I don't know, man. Talking behind customers' back, cussing each other out, all kind of craziness. I'm just sitting here peacefully, man. I'm watching my car over there getting done. Look at Christine over there looking good, man. Christine over there getting her battery tested. Well, yeah, man, these dudes, oh, these dudes right here, man, are funny, man. See me, I'm just hanging out here in my little chair. You know what I'm saying? Sitting down here by myself. I don't go inside. I don't sit down with the rest of the people because that's how you catch that roller. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm just sitting out here relaxing, waiting for my car to be done, man. They say it takes about 2 hours to test that battery. So yeah, man. So we're probably gonna be here for a minute. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all when there's something else going on, or when they finish my car, and let them see what they say. All right, man. All right, man, so we're here with my man, Richard, man. He just said they just finished the car here at FaTkaT again. They always take care of everybody here at FaTkaT, by the way. Got my other guy we had just met. He said he watches my channel. What's your name again?
Jeff.
Jeff, that's right. He just ordered a 2020 Charger Hellcat. He's waiting for it, but he's getting another car service now, right?
Yes, sir.
My guy, Jeff. When you get it, matter of fact, I'll talk to you on camera about that.
All right.
Anyway, but yeah, so I got my guy Richard here, service guy. Appreciate you, man. So it was the battery.
Was the battery? Yep. We're all good.
So we're all good. Replaced on the warranty and everything else.
Everything's
all right, cool,
taken
man.
care of,
So
see us over at Perkins.
there you go, man. So as you guys know, Brian took care of me a couple times with collision and whatever else. I went to Brian first and said, hey, man, who's the coolest guy service, service rep? And he was like, he gave me Richard's name. So I came link up with Richard. He took care of me, man. They took care of the car. Gotta go sign the paperwork real quick. That's it, man. So make sure y'all come see him at Perkins. There you go, man. Appreciate it again, bro.
No problem. Thank you.
Yep.
Couple signatures.
Just right here.
Yep. Another one down there. There you are.
All right.
Head downstairs. The guys will have your keys.
So there y'all go, man. So yep, replaced the battery. Like I said, so the battery was shot. So luckily they went ahead and replaced the battery, and we're all good now, man. So we got a fresh battery replaced under warranty, man. We're good to go. My guy Richard, service advisor, man, hooked it up. Didn't hook it up, but he was cool. Put the car through to get tested and everything else. Like I said, the battery was shot. So we're all good, man. Got a fresh battery. Can't beat hopefully, you know, my battery doesn't give problems from here on out, man. If not, I guess I'll have to come back again. But for now, that's it, bro. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. We are good to go. I am. Now I gotta put the battery changer on it though, just to make sure that, you know, nothing goes wrong with it. So do the battery tender and keep the battery charged, basically. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget, man, July 5th, we are doing a huge cruise, man. We're gonna try to get at least 100 cars, not even just all Mopar, right? There's no discrimination over here. 100 cars, but muscle cars though. So I guess there is a tiny bit of discrimination. So 100 muscle cars, but again, you know, it doesn't have to be necessarily a muscle car. So even if you have, like, you know, a CTSV, or if you got, I know there's a bunch of people that got like Ford Focuses and whatever the case, like those are cool too, you know what I'm saying? But for the most part, you know what I'm saying, like muscle cars, I'm trying to get at least 100 cars together, cruise down. We're leaving from the Orlando Eye, all right? July 5th at 11, well, meeting at 10 o'clock, leaving at 11. For those people that live towards my side of town, if you are in the Brandon, Riverview area, or if you're coming from like the south, or from anywhere in the surrounding area, you want to ride to the Orlando Eye with me and a few other people, meet us at the racetrack off of Gibsonton, right? The racetrack off of Gibsonton at 8:30. We're leaving there at 9 o'clock, no later than. There's a racetrack off of Gibsonton Road, right off of exit 250 on 75, right? So that's what we'll be meeting at 8:30 to leave by 9 to go to the Orlando Eye, to be there by 10:15ish or something like that. All right, man. So if you're in the area, make sure y'all follow me on IG, man. FaTkaT8181. FaTkaT8181. I always put the description there. I always put, you know, in the stories, I put where we're heading, where we're going. I put a lot of different things on there, events or whatnot. I put it on there. It's a lot faster to put it onto IG than it is to YouTube, because obviously there's not enough, you don't have to do editing and everything else. You just throw it up on there and that's it. So follow me on IG, FaTkaT8181. I put a lot of different pictures on there, whatever the case. I don't just use it as a promotion for my YouTube. I actually, you know, put pictures on there of my car and use it like a regular IG. But again, then I also do announcements and things like that, or whatever that's going on. I also put it on there as well. All right, so make sure y'all follow me on there, FaTkaT8181 on IG, man. And again, July 5th, we'll be doing a cruise from Orlando Eye, and we'll be finishing out in Clearwater, man. So, all right. Other than that, again, man, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and again, stay humble, stay blessed, stay safe.